Once upon a time, there lived a little bird in the bush. This bird believes in keeping memories, whether good or bad. It will always write its experiences on stones and throw them in a little bag that he carries around. At a point, this bag started getting heavy. He met a wise owl, and the owl asked him why he's always carrying this bag around. And this little bird told the owl that in this bag lies his whole experiences and memories, and that he's not ready to give these stones up or throw them away. The wise owl told him that he is living in the past instead of living in the present. This bird didn't listen. He kept on writing his experiences and throwing them in this bag. At a point, the bag got so heavy that this bird couldn't fly anymore. He started walking on the ground and always carrying this bag. One day, a heavy rain fell, and as this bird was walking with this bag, his leg slipped and this bag fell on him, and this bird died there. He couldn't survive. When the rainstorm was over, other birds gathered there, and the owl also came. The owl whispered, "Memories are meant to guide us and not to weigh us down.